everyone, welcome back to my channel Shriya's Safari. Today I am exploring two of Vancouver's most beautiful and peaceful spots, English Bay Beach and Sunset Beach. Located right in downtown Vancouver, English Bay is more than just a beach. It's one of the city's most loved places to relax, walk, or simply enjoy the ocean view. Back in early 1900s, it was already a popular swimming and picnic area. And even today, it remains a favorite hangout for locals and tourists alike. People come here for so many reasons: to unwind after work, go on a beachside date, enjoy a picnic, or click some picture perfect moments with the ocean in the background. You'll also find some unique spots here, like the amazing laughter statues. A group of bronze figures laughing joyfully and spreading positive energy all around. And nearby stands the Inukshuk, a traditional Inuit stone landmark symbolizing friendship, guidance, and hope. It's also one of the most photographed icons in Vancouver. Every summer, English Bay hosts a spectacular fireworks festival, lighting up the night sky and drawing huge crowds. Just a short walk along the seawall takes you to Sunset Beach, a quieter and more relaxing spot. It's perfect for evening strolls or simply sitting by the shore, watching the sun dip into horizon. And on rare clear nights, you might even get lucky enough to see the northern lights from here. Whether you are visiting for a peaceful walk, a picnic, or to capture Vancouver's beauty, English Bay and Sunset Beach offer the perfect blend of nature, art, and calm vibes. Along the seawall, you will notice two large metal rings, a simple yet artistic installation where people often sit, relax, and enjoy the ocean view through the circular frame. These rings perfectly capture the feeling of calmness and connection with nature, and they have become one of the most photo worthy spots in the area. There is a large green space nearby too, where people relax, read, do yoga, or enjoy picnics. And if you visit in the evening, you will often see locals walking their dogs or cycling along the seawall as the city lights start to glow.
Stories that linger on the breath of the breeze. The dawn paints gold on the mountain's crown, while rivers whisper truth as they flow down. And their songs entwine with the trees that stand, knotted in time by nature's hand. Each echoing step on the forest floor opens a world through an ancient door. The silence alive, yet brimming with sound. In the arms of solitude, I am found. Oh, whispering pines, sing me your tune. Caught in the rhythm, the stars and the moon. Teach me the language of rustling leaves. Stories that linger on the breath of the breeze.
That's all for today's video from English Bay and Sunset Beach. I have already posted a separate video about the amazing laughter statues. It's such a fun and iconic spot. So don't forget to check it out. The link in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more Vancouver adventures. See you in the next one.